God, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Doris from Healthy Tasty Meals. Hope you're doing fine today. So today I want to show you how I made this beautiful tomato paste. Factory type. Is looking so smooth and beautiful, guys. You need to give it a try and let me know what you think. So to start this tomato paste, what I use is my fresh tomatoes. I already washed it, squeeze out the water. I kind of press it, broke them, and make sure I get the water and some of the seeds out. I also try to cut it into smaller size so that it can be easier for my blender to blend. I'm not saying it will not blend it as a whole, but I just want to make it a bit faster. So I also have another video of how to preserve your tomato in case you don't have blender. There's still another method you can use to achieve this result, guys. So feel free to check that video out. The link will just pop up at the top now. You can click and check it out. So after blending your tomato, as I did, here is it. I'm done blending. What I did next is to sieve this tomato paste that I have blended. So I use my sieve and a pot that I'll be using to cook the boil dry it to sieve. So once you turn it into your sieve, make sure you stir the sieve as I am doing to get all the smooth tomatoes out of it. Tomato puree. So just do it the way I'm doing here so that you get everything out. Here is it. This one is out completely, but I'll still toss it around to make sure I get everything out. As you can see, just give it a little squeeze so that your tomato juice can be completely out. So this is the second round. I did it like 3, 4 to 5 times, and voila, here we go. We are almost done sieving our tomato paste. So this is it, to achieve that industrial goodness, that smoothness that you will see. Just a kind of look at the difference between the one in the sieve and the one in the pot. Of course, you can see that the one in the pot is already looking so reddish, so beautiful and attractive, and we are not yet done. So after you're done squeezing out the juice from your tomato, here I try to still get, see the sieve still have some residue on them, so I still try to get them out, get the ones out from the sieve. Here we go, so that nothing will be wasted, guys. So just try to give this potato tomato paste a trial. So after sieving it, what we need to do is to start cooking, kind of, let me say, dry it, because it will be boiling and be drying. So this is how it will look after like 15 minutes of boiling. Here is it. You see, it's getting thicker and thicker. And another thing, guys, is when you are boiling this, don't cover the pot, because if you cover the pot, it will be difficult to dry up, because as the water evaporates, it will condense back, now to evaporate, condense back, be getting watery and watery. So just leave the pot open so the tomato can easily dry up. So we keep stirring time to time so that it doesn't get burnt, because we don't want the color, this reddish color, to change to black. If you let it burn, the reddish color will change to black. So keep stirring it time to time as it's drying like this, so that all parts of the tomato will be dried. So at this point, our tomato paste is ready. So as you can see, the pot is completely dry, to tell you that the water in the tomato is completely dry. So our tomato paste is now ready. See how it's looking so reddish, so beautiful. Here we go. So it's to transfer it into a container. All right, so just turn up the heat now and we'll transfer it into a container. So once you transfer it into a container, make sure that the container is airtight, and also try to add vegetable oil on the surface to cover the surface of this tomato paste. See how it's looking so beautifully and so smooth. We don't want it to get spoiled, so add that vegetable oil on it to it serve as a preservative. So try to watch my other video to see, kind of understand better what I'm talking about. So thank you so much. Hope you learned something from this video, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Feel free to share and hit the subscribe button, guys, if you haven't done so. Also turn up the bell so that you can always be notified each time we bring out incredible recipe like this. So thank you so much. See you in my next video. Bye.